Good morning all my dear students of class 5. This is your maths teacher and the host of this video Ajit Haridas. Welcome into this online video lecture series here. Now before continuing our syllabus that we are going to continue online here, first I want to discuss about this online video lecture series that conducted by our school here. Now due to COVID-19 situation, pandemic situation there, our school has decided to start the curriculum of our standards that are from 5th to 12th there on online basis here. Now, in front of you, here I am standing for 5th class mathematics subject here. Now, our school has decided to continue your syllabus that we continue as per our Maharashtra State Board there. This syllabus we are going to continue by online method. Now, the method for this online video lecture series in this way that here I am going to discuss on each subunit that given in each lesson, we are trying to make one video on each day, and these videos are provided to you on your WhatsApp account and YouTube channel here. Now, for this online video lecture series, our school has started its own YouTube channel here by its name Sriputra Bhosle Secondary and Higher Secondary School, Usmanabad. You can subscribe this YouTube channel, and on this YouTube channel you can watch all our videos of all subjects at any time, at any place, at anywhere as per your convenience there. So please subscribe this YouTube channel of our school, Sripatra Muslim High School here. Now, after this discussing short information about online video lecture series, we are continuing here our 5th class mathematics subject. So, into this 5th class mathematics subject, we have given total 15 units there, and we are trying to reach out all these 15 units through this online video lecture series here. Now, whenever our school will be started, then we are teaching all these units again there as in front of you. Now, today we are going to start here for our first lesson that given in our textbook as Roman numerals there. So here I am checking the heading of this first lesson in front of you. Let's observe this Roman numerals. So in our textbook, on page number 1 and on page number 2, you have given the lesson of Roman numerals here. You can observe that in your textbook there also. So, while starting about Roman numerals here, we are going to continue the explanation of two types of numerals that we used for writing numbers in mathematics since standard 1 there. Now, in standard 1, standard 2, standard 3 and standard 4, we are completed the practice of the writing of numbers there. So, while writing the numbers, we are using mainly international numerals as well as. Now, we are living in our Maharashtra state, and our Maharashtra state had its own mother tongue, that is mother language Marathi. Now, in Marathi language, we can also derive or we can also use the digits there for writing numbers. Now, the digits that are using in Marathi language that are called Devanagari numerals in mathematical language there. So, first I want to explain these two types of numerals first here, and then we start about Roman numerals. So, at the first, we start from our own mother tongue, Marathi. So, on this green board, here I am taking Marathi language and the digits that are using in this Marathi language that are says Devanagari numerals. Now, when we have to try to continue Devanagari numerals, their writing method, that here I am showing in front of you. The first digit in Devanagari numeral they are using as in this way. In Marathi language, this digit read as Shunya. Next digit that is in this way, that read as Ek. Next digit we use as in this way. This digit read as Don. Next digit we write in this way, that known as Teen. Next digit we write in this way, that known as Char. Next digit we continues in Devanagari numerals in this way, that read as Pass. Next digit we write in this way, that read as Saha. Next digit read as in this way, Sat. Next digit that we continues in this way, read as Art. And next digit that we continue, it read as No. So these are 10 digits that we continues in Devanagari numerals. Their writing method here I am keeping in front of you. Let's observe carefully. Now, parallel of this, again we are using another type of numerals that are called here international numerals, and these international numerals, according to our knowledge, that are using in English language here. So opposite of this, we are going to continue here in other part, English language. So the digits that are using in English language, we locally known as international numerals. Now, in international numerals, we can continue the same 10 digits there, but their writing method is somewhat different than this Devanagari numerals here. Let's proceed. So the first digit again in international numeral that we write in this way, that read as 0. Next digit they are writing in this way, that read as 1. Next digit that writes in this way, that read as 2. Next digit that writes here in this way, that read as 3. Next digit writing in this international numeral, that is as read as 4. Next digit that writing this international numeral in this way, that read as 5. Next digit that we read as 6. Next digit that we write here, that read as 7. Next digit that we write here, that read as 8. And the next digit that write here, that read as 9. So these are again 10 digits that are using in this international numerals. So I think from you, according to you, you are using international numerals from standard 1 there. Now beside of these two, Devanagari and international numerals, we have another type of numerals in mathematics, but their use is quite limited there. The reasons behind that we can explain later there. Now the next type of numerals that we want to go introduce in front of you, that are called here Roman numerals here. Now first we continues the history of Roman numerals here. Now, Devanagari numerals we use in Marathi language, and international numerals we are using in English language. That we know clearly. But if you think about these Roman numerals, if you know the history of these Roman numerals, that means the digits or the numbers that we write in Roman sign, these numbers are called Roman. But why? The reason behind this we should understand first, and then we proceed about Roman signs here. So in front of you here I am taking a short history about Roman numerals here. So 2000 years ago, 2000 years ago, in Europe continent there is a country, Europe continent. It is important here. You should know about this Europe continent, that is in your geography. In Europe continent there is a country that is known as Greece, and the capital city of this Greece is known as Athens. That here I am writing. Now, in international history as well as our Indian history, the people that are living in this Athens city, that are known as Roman people there. Roman people. Now, the people that are living in this Athens city, they are using the signs like I, V, X as number, as numerals. So, by the name of these Roman people, such signs are known as Roman numerals here. This is the basic reason why such signs are called Roman numerals. So, keep in mind, this is not our mathematical part, but before going to continue the information about Roman numerals, we should know its history. So that's here I am explaining. Now we proceed our main part. Now, if you want to write international number in Roman sign, as like Devanagari and international numerals, in Roman number system, they are using 7 basic signs. So first we introduce them. So here I am getting the subtitle in front of you. 7 basic signs of Roman number system. So in Roman number system, these Roman people are using first basic sign in this way. That's what I am drawing on this green board. Let's observe carefully. The first sign looks like capital I. Looks like capital I, and this sign has international value 1. Thereafter, second basic sign that here I am drawing in front of you, that looks like capital V. Now, this second Roman sign has international value as 5 there. Third basic sign that here I am drawing, it looks like capital X. Now this has international value as 10. Thereafter, fourth basic sign that here I am drawing, it looks like capital L. Now this fourth basic sign has international value 50. Thereafter, fifth basic sign in Roman number system that here I am drawing, it looks like capital C having international value 100 there. Thereafter, sixth basic sign that here I am drawing in this way, that looks like capital D, it having international value as 500. And 7 basic sign that here I am drawing in this way, it looks like capital M. So it has international value 1000. So these are 7 basic signs. Now these signs are looks like capital alphabets. So we are trying to read out these basic signs as like our capital alphabets. So first sign I, second V, third X, fourth L, fifth C, sixth D, and seven M. Now, if you observe these seven basic signs and their respective international values, we clearly understand here capital I, the first basic sign, has less international value. So, we say the first important sentence here, capital I is the smallest basic Roman numeral. And if you observe the capital alphabet that looks like M, seven basic sign, it has highest international value there. So we said second sentence, M is the biggest, greatest basic Roman numeral. Keep in mind these two sentences about these seven basic numerals here. Now, after this introduction of seven basic Roman numerals, now if you think there, in mathematics, this Roman number system that are using in a less manner, in a so we had to continue the basic reason why these Roman numerals are using in a less quantity, that are not using so much in mathematics there. So there are some reasons behind this. So we are going to continue after this introduction of Roman numerals here. That is drawbacks of Roman number system. So in front of you that I am explaining now drawbacks. Drawbacks of Roman number system. Now, while explaining the drawbacks of this Roman number system, the first reason that is in Roman numerals, if you want to write bigger numbers as like 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 digit, 7 digit, that are not writing easily in this system. So bigger numbers cannot write easily. We can write them, but their writing method is not so easy there. So we continue that. Second drawback, that is the main drawback here. In Roman number system, if you want to write 0 digits separate, then it is not possible here. So in a simple sentence here I am saying, in Roman number system, we cannot write 0. So we say here, second drawback, 0 cannot write. And third, after this is also important drawback of this Roman number system. The number system that we use in international as well as in numerals, it is based on decimal place value system. That is quite different part that you will be studied in second lesson there. But in this Roman numeral, if you want to write the place value of digit, then it is not possible here. Let's continue the example. First here I am writing the drawback. Place value of digit cannot write. Here I am taking example in front of you. Suppose we want to write the place value of 4 into this 4-digit number. Present we write in international numeral that read as 4679. Now we want to write the place value of 4 into this Roman number system. Now present, we said the place value of this 4 is 4000 here. According to the place of this 4, we can say easily. But if we transfer same number, same Roman number there in this way, that is so bar IT DC LXXIX. In this way, we write same international number into Roman sign. Now, if you ask, write down the place value of 4 there. Now, you can observe this number Roman, but digit 4 we cannot observe clearly. We cannot understand where is 4. So, we cannot write the place value of digit in such Roman numbers here. So, due to these 3 drawbacks of Roman number system, these numerals are using in a less quantity, that is not using in our number system, that is in our mathematics here. So this is about the introduction of Roman numerals in this video. And the next video lecture series, that is in next video number 2, we are going to explain the rules that are using for writing Roman numbers. The 7 basic signs that we explain I, B, X, L, C, G, M. While writing these 7 basic signs, we have to use some rules there. Their introduction we continue into the next period. So till in this video we can stop here. Thank you. Have a nice day.